Abantu barukurenga 200 nibo biho mu eihanga rya Sudan kandi ekintu kijaho bwanyuma y'orutaro omu eihanga eryo okugumiza mu nirweyongyera.
We're happy that you're back in your country, and we are also happy that we were able to bring you back, and most of you are still in good shape.
General Kinerugaba okuriremo kwiha abantu aba yasima government ya Somalia okweraho omukwiha abantu abo mu businge obo barukwesa omwanya gwabo okorabya mu nyonyi.
We want to thank our president. He's the one who planned all of this and supported us to help you help you come back. We also want to thank the government of Ethiopia very much for allowing us to use their territory to evacuate you. And the Uganda Airlines for flying over there and picking you up.
Hona nabwo General Muhozi yasimama hega Special Forces okurwa mu eihanga rya Uganda okora omwoga gwabo kandi gw'amaani okwiha abanya Uganda omu Sudan.
And some officers that we worked with in Special Forces. So we are very grateful that you're home. We thank God that most of our people have come. Those was the few still remaining there. We shall put in place plans to try and get them out as well.
Kurujirira Ministry y'enshonga z'omunda abanya Uganda barukika 211 nibo biho mu Sudan kandi aba batwire nibakorera emirimo yabo omu eihanga eri. Bihwayo bijana Ambassador Joseph Ochwet kandi bihwa hachayi chenyonyi echa Bashir Dar.
There are some medical checks for those who are not feeling well. The doctors will check you, and then there's some transportation to take you to Kampala.
Orutaro mu Sudan rukatandika ebiro 5 kwa kana ahagati y'amahega Sudan Armed Forces naga Rapid Support Forces. Amakoraga gasha kwa Damba Tadeo omuri Kampala.